Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm closing down my company. If I'm eligible to voluntarily deregister my company, is there any benefit for me putting it through liquidation instead? So the answer to this question is generally no. Let me explain a little bit. If you can voluntarily deregister a company, the way that's done is by the directors filling in a form with ASIC that says that they wish to voluntarily deregister the company. Now the form says that the directors have to make this declaration, that all the members, which are the shareholders of the company, agree to its deregistration, that the company is not carrying on a business, has assets worth less than $1,000, has paid all its fees and penalties under the Corporations Act, doesn't have outstanding liabilities, and isn't a party to any legal proceedings. Now, if that declaration can be signed, as in all those things are true, I highly recommend just doing a voluntary deregistration. It's much simpler, and there's no need to pay for any cost of any liquidation either. And my general recommendation is not to put a company through liquidation that doesn't need to go through the liquidation process. Now, if that declaration can't be signed, for example, if there's liabilities or if there's legal proceedings, then the company, if it's going to be closed down and eventually deregistered, will need to go through a liquidation process. Now, sometimes directors may choose on a cost-benefit basis to put a company through liquidation, even though they could do voluntary deregistration. The most common scenario in this case is if they are expecting, with a reasonable high degree of expectation, that legal proceedings could be about to start, and they want to put it through the liquidation process in order for the liquidator and the liquidation process to deal with the legal proceedings. Other than that scenario, I can't really think of a reason, or at least a common reason, why there would be any benefit to doing a liquidation if you can do voluntary deregistration.